Yep. All right. Today is March 13th, 2026, Friday. We should have had news came out already. Doesn't look like a big deal, really. Price continues to go lower, back to the lower part of last week's. No, 17 on last week. Um, the ninth. Oh, this week's low, right? Which I was kind of like looking forward to. Yesterday I didn't take anything. I couldn't make sense of most of what was going on. Um, let's open up yesterday's price action. I gotta hurry up because the market opens up soon. Um, so let's move this here. We'll put that back later. All right. So I was looking for. This is a 1 hour level. I was looking for this to be absorbed, right? So waiting for 10 o'clock or for it to break. We got strong selling into it. Buying came in. And we're looking for this to also match up, right? Strong buying right here. Right? Strong selling right here. Price came back and rejected, right? So it's 959. We established that now. Price sold into it, but price didn't break. Buyer stepped in down here at the lows. But can't really make sense of this, right? Buyer steps in at the lows. Can't really make sense of it. So now I'm going to see, do we get a true absorption? Do we close at 11 o'clock? All right. Price eventually starts to deviate from one another, 17 and 16, but it's like very like small fluctuations, sometimes larger ones. Now we're back up here, right? Potential selling area here. I don't have this out enough, but we're up here, right? Potential selling area. Price is going down. We do have a sell, so maybe we sell from up there. That was a potential thought. Price comes up, sells off. Right? Didn't give me anything that I like. Comes back down to the bottom here. I think it goes lower. Eventually ends up stopping and moves back up. All right. Trying to be an absorption. I'm not sure what's going on. Nothing here works out. That makes sense. Now we're at 1047. And then we get this here, where we get two hammer candles. This one here, the first one clear, and this one here is a hammer candles. Price is going to come back down here for about maybe 10 points, I believe, 10 or 20 points. Price comes down, right? I did zoom into it. Right, hammer. I said, okay, that's interesting. So I could have taken. Nope, I have no reason to take that because I don't have anything here to set me up or back me up. So ignore it. Strong buying comes in here. Don't really trust it because it's like weird. It's not a hammer candle. It's not at anything that I trust. But I do have this here marked. Looking at it, I like the absorption that's happening. I want to see price go up and come back down. It's 1057. I'm starting to like lose focus. 11 o'clock. Strong value comes in again. Can't make sense of it. I think we're going to sell off. Now, VIX is hurting for the highs here. And Qs are here at these lows here. So I want to see a reversal because ES is not breaking. These are reaching their levels. I want to see a reversal here. Maybe a reclaim of this area and a retest of that area. All right. I think around here I may have walked away. But price eventually moves up, right? Right here, some volume, clears. Hammer could have entered right here, taking this up. But I don't enter right there. Why? Because, well, I never had a buy here. We do get absorption, but I don't get a buy here. But I could have entered because this is here, that is there. Check mark of okay, area. Maybe we can go long, come back down here, enter on this candle here, because after that price runs up. I think that's probably the only setup that we had, and that's a nice almost 20 points. Let's go back a little bit. 69, 66, 92, 25, right? 92, 25, right up to, we're looking for 67.20 to be touched, right? Now I'm probably gonna really like find it. So 67. What did I say? 67. What the hell did I say? 67.92. And this, that's like 20 points, right? And that would have been a nice little trade right there. Price comes back one more time, I believe, but after 12. Well, that's it, right? This would have been a nice little trade. Boom, about 20 points, if not more. So that would have been the area where I would have want to enter the trade. Let's go back a little bit and look more into that noon session. Right, boom. So yeah, this is what I saw afterwards. Now we get something that I probably would have want to work with. This is a nice move back up to that level here, drop down, right? But this would have been a nice one. Strong volume here, break, retest. So taking that one or this one here, but I don't trade after this. So right now price has gone down, came down here on the 5-minute level and bounce very nicely. Get rid of this. So now let's see what we can find before the market opens up. One hour. So we're back trying to do this level here, but I'm going to clear these. 30 minutes. All right, let's do some house cleaning. All of these gonna go. I can stay. Actually, let's go back a little bit. I'm just indiscriminately erasing things. That will stay. High is here. All right. Low is here. Back the way that was. All right. It's still a 1 hour level. Absorption right here. I think I should be looking for a short up here, but I don't have anything to support. I got buying, 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 buying. Right? I don't have any sell support. Right? Maybe around here, but that's like, I don't have sell support. That's a 30-minute level. Well, it's a 1 hour absorption too. Right, so I don't really have support where I would love to have support. Nothing there to really help. Let's see what time news came out. 8:30 and then 10 o'clock. Let's set those up first. 30. I'm gonna just take this one here. This one should be fine. See 11. Yeah, that's fine. I'm not gonna stretch this one out too much. Let's put this to the 16th, 13th today, and then let's look for one for 10 o'clock. That's all the way back then. So 0313. All right, so that's gonna come out. All right, so we're kind of like in this area here, which is cool. That means that we want to find something here maybe to support the potential price action. 5-minute level. All right, so I can't really make sense of any of this here. So let's go to the 75. All right, straight volume here. No, straight movement, no volume. Volume is here. Got volume here before the close. Actually, got like 19 minutes, 9 minutes before the market opens. Let's go to 50. All right, here, aggressive buying here. This is happening now. Volume. Let's go to the 25. So maybe, all right, so we're gonna mark this one here. This is the close. And we're gonna mark this one here. This one right here, right? That area. And we're gonna see what price, how price works around this. If we go to 20, we may have a lot of things, but I think maybe this area here might be like a keynote, but I gotta see what the high and low is of ES and NQ and VIX. Give me a better idea. All right, so that's that level. I don't have really a time frame to look at. It's just strange. All right, let's go to settlement price, and then we're gonna move on to NQ, and then VIX, and then call it. All right, got that. Okay. NQ. Oh wow. Okay, freaking sideways. Could have been right around this range the entire time. 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes. Okay. All right, here. A lot of volume right there. $15. $5. Okay. Set settlement price, and then go to VIX. All right. All right. That is that area, right? All right. So we'll keep an eye on that. Let's go to VIX. Go to the 30. Let's go to 2. This is VIX. Okay. Um. That's a high. This is VIX. Looks weird. It's the low. Okay. Oh. Well, it's tight range here, but overnight we peaked it, came back in, down, we went to both sides. All right, so the market opens up soon. She got space, so we're just waiting now for the market to open, and we'll go from there. Our market opens up in 3 minutes. If this shit would hurry the fuck up, that'd be fine. Let's go to 5. Oh yeah. Come on, let's go. Probably do another wash. Okay. Alright, so not going to hold my breath on VIX. I got the high and the low for the most part. That should be good. I'm gonna see how price kind of like move. I really wanted to add in the levels from volume profile on there from the tick chart, but I'm not getting anything to help support this right now. Price is just acting slow, and the market opens up in less than 2 minutes. Shit, that's just way too much information for it, huh? Yeah, this is not VIX numbers. Maybe I just can't rely on VIX today. Just too much to populate. It moved way too much. Alright. Anyways, market opens up. I'm gonna highlight you later. Peace out.